What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jocks. We're going to take a look at Gala Games. Currently we're sitting at 0.042 or down 1.2 on the day. Sitting at market cap of 296 million. 24-hour volume 182 million. Let's hop into the charts. So Gala, it's a little bit tricky from an Elliott wave perspective. What we're looking at here is that we'll go from this wave count and wait. So from this low of 0.036, we push up in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Looking to push up in a wave 3, but as you can see, this move is not very impulsive, which is typical of a wave 3. Of course, it could be like a 1-2-1-2 setup, and then you'd be looking at a larger wave 3. But as of right now, we're just basically trading sideways. We don't have a very strong impulsive move. So a couple of scenarios. The first one is that we're going through an ABC correction, especially we're starting to, looks like we may break down from this descending Browning wedge. Now, if that were to play out, the only thing I could look at for this wave 3 is that this is a leading diagonal. So basically, that's your wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. You would come back in a 4, which would break into the wave 1, which can only happen in a leading diagonal. And then you'd push up in a wave 5. And basically, what you'd be looking at is all of this right here. All this move right here is a leading diagonal wave 1. And let me grab my brush one more time. That would be your wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and then you'd see continuation to the upside. It's possible. And in that scenario, the wave 4 can break into the wave 1 as long as we don't break the wave 2 low. The wave 4 can break all the way down into the wave 1. So that's a potential scenario. If we come all the way down and lose 0.039, then we'd have to definitely look at a more bearish wave count. But as I mentioned, if we do break down from this descending Browning wedge, then you could definitely see continuation to the downside, which could take you down to about 0.040. But if we can bounce relatively soon here and we start to push up, then this wave 4 could already be complete before pushing up in a wave 5. Taking a look at the daily time frame, just to simplify things, we had the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55. It's confirmed. So we may just be coming back down to retest the EMAs. If those EMAs can hold and we see a bounce, then you can see a large breakout. Similar to when we had the bullish cross right here. We had the 20 over the 55, massive breakout to the upside. So if those EMAs can hold, if we can hold this pullback, then you can see a large push. But if it breaks and we fail to hold the bullish cross, then that would be quite negative for the price of Gala. So this is what I'm waiting for. A retest of the 20, potentially the 55, see if we can hold the bullish cross and see continuation to the upside, or are we going to lose those daily EMAs and then potentially come back down to retest, 0.038 or come all the way down to 0.037. It really depends if we hold those daily EMAs. We did break out of this bull flag, so the technical target is up here at about 0.064. We'll have to see if we can get a bounce off those daily EMAs. So that's it. Just a quick update for Gala. If we fail to bounce here, we lose this support, then what you can do is measure the body of the wedge, take it to the point of breakout, and it could take Gala down to about 0.040. But if we do bounce and we break out to the upside, I'll give you a wave 5 target. Take your trend base to extension from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of the wave 3. If this were to be the bottom of the wave 4, I would give you a 618 target of about 0.0459. Alright gang, so that's it for this little update. Make sure to sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me your sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies. If you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, you get a 30-day free trial to my signals, analysis, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, some of them are absolutely crushing it. How all plays. 30-day free trial if you make your first deposit. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link. All links are down below in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.